Hi, Sammy.
Well, Julia, are you,
Am I what?
are you okay?
Yes, Sammy, I'm okay.
Yes, but, I mean, are you doing anything tomorrow?
Why?
Sorry, I know you're probably busy tomorrow, meeting someone already.
Yes, maybe.
Oh, I see. Sorry.
Yes, maybe I'm meeting someone. If he asks me.
Great! Julia, would you like to go somewhere with me tomorrow?
Oh, I don't know, Sammy. Yes, of course, I'd love to.
Great!
What shall we do?
I don't know. What about running?
Why? I hate running.
Okay. Well, what do you like doing? Oh, but not cycling.
Cycling.
I don't like cycling.
Do you like music? We could go to the opera.
My dad loves opera. He listens to it all the time.
Great. So,
But I can't stand it.
Okay, so no opera. Great.
What about sports? There's a football match in the afternoon.
I don't like football. It's noisy and boring. Hey, why don't we go to the museum?
Museum?
Oh, I see. Museums are boring.
What about the cinema?
Oh, so don't you want to talk to me?
Of course I do.
But we can't talk in a cinema, Sammy.
Oh, of course. You're right. Look, Julia, you don't want to go to the cinema and you're not interested in watching football.
Well, what about you? You don't understand opera. When you go to a museum, you go to sleep. You just want to run.
Julia!
Look, Sammy, I'm sorry. I think we're too different.
No, there must
We
be...
just don't like the same things.
No, I'm sure there's something we both like.
Yeah?
Yeah, probably... Oh, I know!
What? Of course. Shopping.
Shopping.
I love shopping.
Me too.
I know. We could go to the department store.
Yeah, okay. And there's that new bookshop near to that.
Yes, I'd like to go.